Did he get YouTube? Ooh, I'm a tool, but I look like a T-Rex.
It's monster time!
It's what?
Monster time!
Monster time?
Yeah.
YouTube, what is up, guys? We are
Turbo Toy Time!
Turbo Toy Time. My name is Andy. This is my son,
Cayman!
and we do toy videos. And today, he was not kidding. It is monster time, and we have the ultimate Zuru Smashers horror house.
And look.
You knock. Now you're punching it. Wow, you're really knocking. Do it one more time. Is there any other sound effect? It's a monster smash. This is going to be a lot of fun. As you see, we are gonna dig a monster right out of this coffin. It is Zuru Smashers, 35 plus surprises, so they don't know. There might be 36, 37, or 450.
Or 100.
Or 100, you're right. This says 35 plus surprises inside, and then right here it says 36 pieces, so it's probably 36. That's funny. It says dig and dissect. It's got these little guys out here, which are probably part of the 36. It lists everything you're getting there, but we want to be surprised, so we're not going to read it.
Look at the back, guys.
The back is very cool. It shows an actual kid playing it. It says horror house, and if that can't be the same size.
Guys,
That is huge compared to the kid.
Guys, look. Barcode!
What is that?
Barcode!
I can no longer hear, because that was loud. There is a barcode, but let's go back to the back and appreciate it. There are 3 possibilities. We can get Zombie Rex, Blood Shark, or Brain Dead. Which one do you want to get?
The zombie or the shark.
So you don't want the Zombie Rex.
I want that one, or that one.
So you want all of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Clearly, we need to open it up because this Cayman's he's over it. Oh, look at this. Here's directions. Whoa! I will say, that's the easiest that has ever came off. Go.
Goodbye, guys.
Why are you saying goodbye? It's not the end of the video. Oh, it's because he was leaving. Okay.
Bill!
Have you?
Mickey.
Wait, it says to remove a shovel. I don't see a shovel. Do you think we gotta remove this?
Yes, you do.
This is so cool. It's like a treasure hunt of its own. This is so cool. Wait, hold on. So you're supposed to take the shovel and then pry it open. Can you do that? Yes, you can. This is easily probably the most fun part. You get to just use the shovel and smash this to bits. On your mark, get set, smash! You gotta mean it, dude. There you go. There you go. Ah, it's alive! It is alive! It's actually a zombie, so it's technically dead. This is just a tub of mystery stuff. So how these toys work is that all of these are gonna have a different material, like kinetic sand or slime, and then it's gonna have a piece to the monster we're building. So, oh my gosh, look at this weapon. That's gonna be a big monster. So we do have a little bit of tiny prizes. Let's do these first. Open it.
It's a little button.
Oh, wow, this thing comes apart. Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces? Is that really how they're getting to that 36 on the packaging? It probably is, and that is silly. Here, right here. Oh.
You're gonna find one.
So again, this breaks into 6 pieces. There's 12. That's cool. So look at these guys. There's like a little flame dude and a werewolf. Very, very cool little mini figures that go with it. Oh, you know what? We have these to open too. Let's open these first. Or before the big guy.
It's so easy to break this.
It is. It's fun to break the green stuff. Rawr. That's pretty cool. Oh, another bag to open up.
Look, I got a pirate and a tickle.
Those are very cute.
Yeah, but I think this will monster we're gonna get.
Look at this face. Ooh. Open that. Open it. Right here. Oh, it's the rest of the spider. You only got like the spider belly and head. Here, you want to put it together? That is so cool.
Look at it.
Ooh. Very cool. Let's get to opening these little guys, okay? There's probably slime in here. I can't wait. Can't wait to have slime all over.
Yeah.
Pull it out.
Oh, yay, it's outside.
Do you like slime?
Yeah.
It's all over. Oh my gosh. So here's like a bear trap.
It's a monster trap.
Monster trap?
Yeah.
So you put it like here and it goes like this. Oh, that's cool. Should we open up the brain? Let's do the brain last. Let's get one of these big ones, okay? This feels like slime too. It could be kinetic sand though too.
Yeah, it can be
It is the sand. Look at it.
kinetic sand.
Very cool. Ooh, yeah. So kinetic sand's a lot of fun. And actually this is like, sometimes you can tell it's been sitting in the bag for a long time. This has not. This is a good. Oh, I know which one we got. Do you know which one we got from the color of it? The what?
Yeah. Guys, look. We got a sock down.
We think we got the shark, the ghost shark. This is his arms. Again, in these bags, every bag is gonna be, oh look, it has like marshmallow fluff, but they put it in a bag. I wish they would do that with the slime. Look at this. That's a huge arm. Did he get YouTube? Do you wanna get it out? Here. I've ripped it.
This is like snow. Look. Snowball.
You hit YouTube in the face with a snowball. That is a great imagined snowball thing.
Going.
Oh my gosh. His intestines are right there.
Guys, we got one more bag.
One more big bag, and then we got the brain too.
The brain is. Oh, I feel the brain.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of spooky.
Yeah. It's the sock.
We just dropped the shark's head. Put on the brain, rip it, and open it up. Oh, this is so cool. We get to dissect a brain. Like, almost like de-dissect. Oh gosh, oh, it's in a slime. Okay, here. Okay. The cool thing about this is that you get to put the brain in, and we actually have to like cut his head open and put the brain in. So let's start building it. You want to try to put the feet in? Bash it up in there.
One leg done.
What about two leg? Push that leg in. Ugh. Look at this guy walking around town. All right, so then this gets to go right here.
Oh God, you can't use YouTube.
These go in really well. Look at this. Now we get to put his head in.
Thanks, Hud.
Look how big this thing is.
Guys, look.
Let's put the weapon in his hand.
I'm gonna make the whole entire CD.
Look, he's got the weapon.
Whoa, guys, this is a mega one with the mega sock in it.
I just broke his head apart.
We're gonna put the brain in.
Where's it gonna go?
In here.
Okay, how are we gonna get that open? Oh, you're using the shovel? This is so brutal.
Wait a sec.
Okay, I think you did it. I think you can just open it. Yeah, you did it. Open it up and put the brain in there. Or are you supposed to remove that?
Yeah.
Wait, not his head though. Okay. You just removed his whole. There's a spider in his brain.
Get out of there, Pyle. This is how I'm gonna put the brain in.
So it just goes down in there,
Yeah.
and then that's just what he looks like now.
Yeah. And
Pretty cool. And then does that attack? Ow! Ow! Dude, this thing is.
He's smashing everyone in town.
Yeah, he's a monster. So here is the spooky blood shark. That's the monster we got in this massive coffin. I love how big.
Look, he eats now.
He's eating the snowball. I love how big it is. It fully functions as an action figure. So if you got more of these, it would be a lot of fun to have. I think these. Do you like these little guys?
Yeah.
Well, that's good that you like them.
They're
He's the
babies.
target audience. I don't think they serve much of a purpose.
But these are babies.
They are the babies. Maybe he protects them.
Yeah. That's a mama shark, and these are his babies.
The mama shark had a werewolf as a baby.
Yeah.
I love these Zuru Smasher toys and just the whole like Treasure X concept. It's like an entire genre of toys I did not see coming. I give this 2 huge thumbs up. 5? So 7? 12? 12 thumbs up from Turbo Toy Time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. It's free and easy. You just click it and you're signed up. The most important thing about this video is that you
Have a great day.
yes, if it's nice outside, go outside and play. If it's not, you can always do something.
Creative inside.
Yes. Hey, have a great day. Peace to the monster.
Peace to the out. Monster.
Yeah, we got there.
But
Hit it.
guys,
I love you.
I think the werewolf goes in the snow. In a fire one goes in the snow too with his brother.
But I also love you.
I love you too.
Peace out.
Ciao.